building my sister's safe new steps together as family. Hello, my name is Ken Conley, owner of Conley's Home Improvement and a home improvement do-it-yourselfer. Some DIY projects are about increasing your home's value, while others are about making life safer for the people you love. This project was one of those special builds. My older sister needed safer, sturdier access to both the front and back doors of her manufactured home, and I knew we could build something much better than the temporary steps that were there. Instead of buying a pre-made solution, we decided to design and build 2 custom wooden stair-step platforms that would be solid, stable, and built to last. What made this project even more meaningful wasn't just the finished stairs, it was the opportunity to spend quality time working together as a family, with my younger sister lending a helping hand and my older sister joining in to help complete the project. It became a reminder that the best home improvement projects aren't just measured by lumber and screws, but by the memories created while building them together. In this video, I'll show you every step of the process, from planning and construction to the final reveal, while sharing the lessons we learned along the way. Before cutting a single board, the first step was understanding exactly what needed to be built. The existing entryways weren't providing the safe, stable footing my older sister needed, especially when carrying groceries or walking in wet weather. The trailer sat high enough off the ground that climbing in and out wasn't as comfortable or secure as it should have been. Rather than settling for something temporary or undersized, I wanted to build 2 matching stair-step platforms that would provide a much larger landing area, sturdy construction, and years of dependable use. We carefully measured both door openings, determined the finished height of each platform, calculated the proper rise and run for the steps, and developed a simple construction plan before purchasing materials. Spending extra time planning helped ensure every cut would fit correctly and that every component would work together during assembly. As with every successful DIY project, taking the time to measure carefully and think through the entire build before starting saved countless hours later and helped prevent expensive mistakes. With the design complete and the materials gathered, it was finally time to start building. We began by measuring and cutting pressure-treated lumber using the miter saw, making sure every board was cut accurately so the finished platforms would be square and level. One by one, the frame pieces came together as we assembled strong rectangular bases designed to support years of daily use. After checking each frame for square, we secured every joint with exterior-grade screws, creating a solid foundation for the rest of the project. Next came installing the support posts and reinforcing the structure so the platforms would remain sturdy under heavy foot traffic and changing weather conditions. Once the framing was complete, we installed the decking boards across the top, carefully spacing each board to allow for proper drainage while creating a clean, professional appearance. Finally, we built the stair sections, fastening each tread securely and making sure every step felt comfortable and stable. Throughout the project, we constantly checked our measurements, verified everything remained level, and made small adjustments along the way. Every stage of the build reinforced an important lesson I've learned over decades of DIY experience. Taking your time and focusing on quality craftsmanship always produces better results than rushing to finish the job. Although I enjoy building projects on my own, this one became truly memorable because it turned into a family effort from beginning to end. My younger sister was there helping move lumber, hold boards in place, hand me tools, and assist wherever another set of hands was needed. As the project progressed, my older sister also jumped in to help complete the finishing touches, making this much more than simply building a set of stairs. We laughed, solved problems together, and celebrated each milestone as another section came together. Those moments reminded me that DIY projects have a unique way of bringing families closer while creating something that will continue serving them for years to come. Every screw we drove and every board we installed represented more than construction. It represented love, teamwork, and the satisfaction of helping someone you care about. Looking back, I'll remember the conversations, the teamwork, and the shared sense of accomplishment just as much as I'll remember building the stair platforms themselves. After hours of measuring, cutting, assembling, and working together, it was finally time to step back and admire the finished project. The completed wooden stair-step platforms completely transformed both entrances to my older sister's trailer. What once had limited and less secure access was replaced with sturdy, custom-built platforms designed specifically for her home. The finished stairs not only looked professional, but they also provided a much safer and more comfortable way to enter and exit every day. Seeing my sister confidently walk up and down the new steps made all the planning, hard work, and attention to detail worthwhile. Projects like this remind me why I love DIY home improvement so much. It's not just about building something with your hands, it's about improving someone's daily life, solving real problems, and leaving behind something that will continue making a difference long after the tools have been put away. Watching our family stand together beside the finished platforms was the perfect ending to a project built with craftsmanship, teamwork, and love. Thank you so much for watching and joining us on this family DIY project from start to finish. I hope this video has inspired you to take on your own home improvement projects and shown you that with careful planning, the right tools, and a little patience you can build something that's both beautiful and built to last. More importantly, I hope it reminds you that some of the most rewarding projects aren't the ones that save the most money. They're the ones that help the people you love. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below letting me know what project you'd like to see next, and share this video with someone who could use a safer set of steps or is thinking about building one themselves. Don't forget to subscribe to Conleys Home Improvement and turn on notifications, so you won't miss future DIY projects, woodworking builds, home renovations, and practical homeowner tips. For additional project photos, detailed tutorials, free DIY resources, and even more home improvement inspiration, be sure to visit my website linked in the description below. Until next time, remember to measure twice, cut once, work safely, and never stop building something that makes life a little better for yourself and for the people you love. Until next time, keep making your home look good one project at a time. I'll see you in the next project. Conley's Home Improvement. Making your home look good one project at a time. Building my sister's safe new steps. Together as family. Follow at Conleys-Home Improvement. Thanks for subscribing and following.